guys, so Diwali and festivals are around the corner and मैं भी रेडी होने जा रही हूँ अपने दिवाली आउटफिट के साथ दिवाली के लिए. But you know, see, I got a little pimple here because I was a little lazy, and yes, of course, winter time, so my allergy thing has been active now, and अभी मैं हमेशा बीमार ही मिलूँगी. Though I'm trying to recover, काफ़ी मेडिसिन खा रही हूँ बिकॉज दिवाली में मुझे बीमार नहीं रहना है. यू नो व्हाट, मेकअप तो करना है क्योंकि दिवाली के लिए दिवाली रेडी भी दिखना ज़रूरी है. बट मुझे मेरे बेसिक फाउंडेशन भी नहीं लगाना बिकॉज नाउ फेस्टिवल्स आते रहेंगे एंड यू ऑल हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दिस uninvited guest is already on my cheeks. So what I thought is to create a very natural look this time for Diwali, and just to apply a simple cream instead of any basic foundation or anything, simple liner, a lipstick, and I think that's about it. A little blush on, highlighter will fix the thing. So मैंने सोचा है कि मैं आज जो क्रीम लगाने जा रही हूँ, I will also tell you about what am I applying on my face. Let me tell you, this is the first makeup brand I've ever used on my face. Like you know, when I started you know, there's a phase when till when you're not allowed to use anything on your face. Like I was not allowed to use till I was in my 10th standard. So only when I came to my 11th standard I was allowed. So basically ये brand मेरे adulthood से मेरा साथ ही बना हुआ है, and that is Lotus. So Lotus is one of the brand which I completely trust, which my mom trusted, and she gave me Lotus to use on my skin, which was like baby soft and which is still baby soft. So that is because I am very peculiar about what I use on my skin, and brands like Lotus is something I think we all can trust because it's a very old brand. And this is basically Lotus Herbal Youth RX anti-aging transforming cream. Anti-aging, guys, I'm not old yet, but I think it's very important to take care of your skin before you start aging, before you get any wrinkles, any fine lines. So I was started to use my Lotus Herbal, and yes, that's what I'm going to use right now on my face, and nothing else other than this. So this is the Lotus Herbal Youth RX, and I am absolutely in love with this brand. And as I've told you, this is one of the oldest brand which is still with me since my 11th standard. You can definitely see visible results just in 7 days. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and make your skin look younger. Trust me, this is for all skin types. This comes with SPF 25 and it's preservative free. Lotus Youth RX Anti-Aging Transforming Cream is a revolution in green science. It comes with revolutionary Ginplex Youth compound derived from potent natural ingredients, and this brand comes with 100% natural ingredients. It is also important to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and trust me, this one cream does all the purpose. I mean, it serves all the purpose. It does all the required corrections in your skin. I am in absolutely love with this cream because my skin, the texture of my skin, and you know, the softness which and the youthfulness which I'm feeling on my skin is amazing, and I totally recommend this to you guys as well. Can you see that no makeup but makeup look? And this also makes my skin look really flawless and nice, and it's very you know, as you have seen already, that I've applied a very thin layer, like very little quantity, and just that much is enough. And I just need to do my hair and then a little bit of maybe mascara or maybe a liner, we'll see, and blush on, and I'm totally ready. So see you after I complete my look. my makeup look, actually Diwali makeup look with my Lotus Herbal anti-aging cream. So I think Lotus Herbal has done justice to this entire look. I think it's very simple yet very elegant, and this goes completely with my outfit. I didn't want it to make a very, you know, heavy makeup look. Maybe I'll create that in Ningol Chocopa, like, you know, proper foundation and all. But for Diwali, and also because I'm not feeling well, I want to be, you know, very simple and sober and nice, and I think this has really helped me. And this makes my skin really soft and fluffy and youthful. And this is not just the anti-aging cream, it also has a anti-aging nourishing night cream. So I am also going to use it at night, and I'm going to show you after I remove this makeup, which is just the cream basically. So you know, removing it will be really simple. So just remove it and apply it and just go off to your lovely beauty sleep, and then you have a beautiful face in the morning. So I'll capture all of that and I'll show you how it is. I hope I'm audible because I'm not able to speak really loud. And my mic, yes, I know, actually I'm here in my washroom doing my makeup, so I actually forgot to put the mic because, you know, I really wanted to show you guys the magic of this cream, and I can refer this to all my viewers.
So guys, this is my wonderful night cream, and oh my god, the packaging is so pretty and beautiful, and I'm so super obsessed with how it looks. It's so super cute. Okay, by the way, this is as mentioned, this is my Lotus Herbal URX anti-aging nourishing night cream, and this is also preservative free, and it's for all skin type. As mentioned before, for my anti-aging cream, this is also made with the similar, you know, compounds, natural ingredients, which is safe for all skin types. This gives you fresh and visible younger skin as you wake up. Like, you know, this really makes your skin looks really nice. It opens the pore, it reduces the appearance of fine lines on your skin, wrinkles, etc., nourishing your skin overnight. So this is an amazing moisturizing cream. You can use it totally because it really moisturizes your skin. It is clinically proven for accelerated lifting, firming, and creating a protective layer on your skin. This has a wonderful texture. It's so creamy, it's so lovely. I mean, the moment you apply it on your skin, it just absorbs in the entire thing. It just leaves your skin very well hydrated and moisturized. You will just love the feeling of, you know, that beautiful skin once you apply it.